Centaurs. Today we'll be making fried plantains and coffee. Very important. Every morning. Since this is me in Guatemala, in my early 20s. What a handsome man. That's President Reagan as a pimp. This is from working in the print shop that I worked at in Austin, Texas. These are magnets. That is a magnet on a fridge. Sort of like an Andy Warhol film, isn't it? I found this behind some drawers while painting an apartment. That I think is a stain. Don't look at that. And yeah, that's from the year 2000. Brings back many wonderful memories. Yeah, that's store-bought, unfortunately, but this is store-bought too. This is the plantain. Look at that beautiful green bruised exterior. Excuse me, that's what you want. Okay. I'm by no means a world traveler, but I did visit Guatemala a couple times in the late 90s, and here are some photos I took while I was there. I had never heard of black beans or plantains until my very first breakfast in Guatemala. And you know, raised in East Texas in the 80s, we didn't have those. We had pinto beans and bananas, but no black beans or plantains. Anyway, this is similar to the way it was prepared that day, and I'm going to cook it for you now.
Yeah, Heath, it's too bad that people can't taste your food through the screen because it is awesome.